Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 10 is the continuously compounded interest formula. It says A equals PE to the RT. And the problem says how much money will Cypress have in her account after 3 years if she invests $4,000 at a rate of 5.5% that is compounded continuously. So when we have interest that's compounded continuously, we use a constant in math known as E. And E is just a number similar to pi is 3.14 approximately. E is about 2.7. But it's an irrational number and there's a bunch of decimal places after that. Your calculator will have a button somewhere for E. It may be in the second level and it may say something like e to the x. So that's the key that you would use. A is the amount of money in the account. P is the principal or the initial investment. In this case, it's $4,000. R is the rate, which is 5.5%, or in decimal form, 0.055. And T is the time of the investment. In this problem, it's 3 years. And so now we're going to plug in. A is equal to, the principal was $4,000, that was the initial investment, times E raised to the R, the rate, which is 0.055, times the time of the investment, which is 3. And so now we're just going to use the order of operations, simplify, and find our answer. So A would be equal to 4,000 times E, and E will be raised to the, if I multiply 0.055 times 3, I get 0.165. And so if I type in my calculator E raised to the 0.165 and get that answer, multiply that by 4,000, I'll find out that the amount in the account is $4,717.57.